What's going on, everybody? Charles Moon here with Prosper Trading Academy, and today we're going to keep an eye on a name, stock named Etsy. Etsy's coming off of earnings. Q3 guidance wasn't actually too bad. Numbers were actually pretty good. I feel like they're getting a little bit overly punished here. So one of the things that we want to keep an eye on is directly $82 and the $80 price levels. If they fail to break, there is a bit of a possibility they could pivot around 78. But this is the critical aspect, because if they don't hold these levels and they get down to 78 and don't hold, this opens the door for them to run back towards 70, maybe even down to that 52-week low at 67. It's quite alarming that the stock hasn't been able to really pick itself up, especially after finding demand. It was rallying into earnings. It started to break down. And then, of course, the free fall from the recent days has gone from 102s down to this 82-ish level. So this is where I'm expecting Etsy to try and hold and find some demand. Any sign or any push beyond $91, I fully expect them to not only fill the first initial gap right around this $95 price, but probably pushing more towards that 98 price for one heck of a rebound, and perhaps even a ongoing risk-on move that puts them up near that $120 price target. So it really depends on what's going to happen. There could be a huge breakdown, will fall out towards that $70 price, or a great buy low risk, high reward opportunity from the 80s on up, back into that lower mid 90 range and perhaps as high as 120. Really, as a trader, the reactions at price, especially important ones, help kind of define, whether we should have, specific conviction up or down. This is kind of at that breaking point where we could see that bounce, but we could also see a very great and short-term breakout to take advantage of. Ladies and gentlemen, best of luck all. Have yourself a wonderful trading day.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.